Do you understand who I am yet? I mean, I hope you do. Because I'm not claiming to be anybody. I'm not claiming to be anybody other than who I am. Who I've always been. Because these treacherous snakes want to act like I'm the treacherous snake when I've never been that fake. Now go sit at the lake. Fucking losers. Leeches. Leeches and losers. Leeches and losers. That's what I call them. Lecherous losers. Treacherous lecherous. You're just a skeptic, bitch. Call me conspiracy theorist again, you can go suck a dick. Because who else could be so treacherous? Right? You expect me to be treacherous like that? Just because I don't fucking like the rules? Right? I'm not a traitor. But they watch me like I am. Right? You want me to be afraid of the motherfuckers that will protect me from Satan's army. Even though Satan's army's protecting me to a certain degree. Right? But I'm here. I'm right there on the street. Look how close I am for you to get me. You know, maybe if you did the math of how long something is getting recorded for, and then you do the math of how long you think it takes me to drive here, you see how close I am to where I get a lot of food. Or some food, even just some. I'm thankful with some food. I'm thankful with one fish. I don't have to catch 50 bluegill in a day. I'm thankful with one big one. Or 5 small ones. Because 2 nickels make a dime every time. Right? Because I told you from the start who I was. I'd rather be a never was than a has been. Now go throw your fucking shit up. Because you've been eating poison.